one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. You felt the cost of being cut back. Things didn't grow the way that you expected. Parts of the last season have felt smaller, narrower, stripped back from what you wanted. It's not always easy to understand what the Lord is doing. But I see a vineyard and I see the vines which have been cut back. And in that place of cutting back, new growth is about to come forth. That pruning is preparing greater fruitfulness. And the Lord says, trust in me and trust as you allow me to work. For I am the Lord who is preparing you for greater fruitfulness. I am the Lord who is preparing you for a time of growth. I've not abandoned you. I am with you and I am blessing you. I'm preparing you now for the purpose that is before you. I'm preparing you now for the season of growth that is yours. I am with you and I am for you. I'm blessing you. I'm blessing you in ways that go beyond what you could have imagined. Trust in me and allow me to work, for new life and new growth are coming. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.